Dear student, welcome you all in this video. Here we'll discuss algebraic method to solve simultaneous linear equations. Algebraic method. We have discussed in previous video graphical method, but here graphical method is not suitable to solve pair of linear equations when solution is in fraction or in non-terminating decimals. Solution as x is equal to minus 1 upon 7, y is equal to 3 upon 5, x is equal to 0.333, y is equal to 1.666. So these type of solutions cannot be read out from the graph accurately, and to get an accurate answer we use algebraic method as. So there are three methods. First method is method of elimination by substitution. Second method is elimination by equating the coefficient of variable x and y, and third is method of cross multiplication. So today we will discuss one method of elimination by substitution. So here we have one question: solve the pair of linear equations x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4 by method of substitution. So we have to solve this question. So in solution we just write the equations. Given equations are x plus y is equal to 14, make it equation 1, and y x minus y is equal to 4, make it equation 2. So very first our step, make two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, and next is you have to pick any one equation. I am picking here equation 1. So from equation 1 I am writing x plus y is equal to 14, and now send this y to RHS, so this will be minus y, and in LHS you have only x. So x is equal to 14 minus y is one equation, make it equation 3. Now substitute the value of x in equation 2. You are equating here na? You have the value of x is equal to what? 14 minus y. This value you have to put in equation 2. What is the equation 2? In equation 2 is x minus y is equal to 14. So in place of x you are putting what? 14 minus y, and this y as it is I am writing x minus y is equal to 4. This is equation 2, and now solve this. So we are solving, and after solving we are getting the answer of y is equal to 5. Now you have to put this value y is equal to 5 in equation 3. What is the equation 3? The equation 3 is x is equal to 14 minus y. So in place of y you have to put 5. So x is equal to 14 minus y means y is equal to 5a. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So value of x is equal to 9. So hence x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5 is a required solution by method of substitution. We are substituting x and y. So these are the steps. You have to solve all the question by this method. 2 equation, then make equation 3, and after 3 find the value of any one variable, either x or y, and then put the value of x or y in equation 3. You are getting the another value. So in this way you can find the value of x and y. Suppose we have another question here. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the method of substitution. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, and x by 3 plus y by 2 and 13 by 6. So we will write these equations in this way, written equation, and I have multiplied the whole equation by 6. Why? Because the denominator of these left hand side is 6. LCM of denominator 2 and 3, LCM will be 6, so I am multiplying here 6. So in any equation you have to multiply the denominator, LCM of the denominator, LCM of denominator you have to multiply. So I'm multiplying the 6. So here is the 6, here is the 6, and here is the 6. So 2 3 is 6, we have cancel here. 3 2 is 6, cancel here. Then here 3 3 is 9, and here 5 2 is 10, and here 2 and 6 12. So 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. Means from this form to this form you have to convert first, then follow the previous step. Same we will see here. Our next question is, next equation is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Here again we have multiplied by 6 because the LCM of these two denominator, LCM of these two denominator is 6, so we are multiplying here 6. So multiplying 6 6 and here 6, LHS and RHS both. So 3 2 is 6, where we can cancel this one, also cancel. So finally you have 2x plus 3y and 13. So in this way you can convert the equation from the rational to in this form, and then you can solve. So try to solve this question, and if you have any problem then comment me. I will solve this question in next video. Thank you for watching.